Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. The food on the box look good, don't it? Should you buy it, should you wait, should you jump on it? You wanna know if it good, does it taste right? Wanna try before you buy it, what it looks like. Hey, what it looks like. Hey, what it looks like. Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. What it looks like. Hey, what it looks like. On this episode of What It Looks Like, we have Rugelach Factory Cinnamon Swirls. And now, let's see what it looks like. But before we see what it looks like, let's check out the nutritional facts. Serving size, 1 ounce. Servings per container, 24. Calories, 110. Total fat, 4.5 grams. Saturated fat, 2 grams. Trans fat, 0 grams. Cholesterol, 5 milligrams. Sodium, 40 milligrams. Total carbohydrates, 16 grams. Dietary fiber, 1 gram. Total sugars, 9 grams. Protein, 1 gram. And now, let's see what it looks like. Let's add the sugary glaze first. What it looks like is pretty doggone close to the box. I would say that it is a spitting image of the box. The cinnamon in between each piece of rolled dough looks delicious. The sugary glaze is more shiny in real life than on the box. But overall, it cooked up pretty good. One thing I would say is to grease the baking sheet first. The instructions didn't mention it, but this is how it turned out after removing the cinnamon swirls from the baking sheet. So yeah, definitely grease the baking sheet first. It smells pretty good. I can smell the cinnamon, the pastry, everything. The cinnamon, it's not very strong though. It smells okay. It's got a very weak smell to it. Not really that strong. You really can't smell the cinnamon at all. It tastes pretty good. I like the cinnamon taste. The pastry is pretty soft, but it's nice. The sugary glaze that it said was optional, I highly recommend it. And it makes it taste really good. I could definitely see myself making some more of these right here. If you get this, I definitely recommend it. Maybe with some milk too. And that sugary glaze is sweet. I mean, it is really sweet. I can kind of feel my teeth rotting a little bit. No, but it's definitely sweet. But it's good. Now, this piece does not have the sugary glaze on it. So let's see how that tastes compared to the one with the glaze on it. It's not bad. You can definitely taste the difference between the sugary glaze and without the sugary glaze. But I could actually eat it without the glaze too. I kind of like it too. It's not as sweet as the one with the glaze, but that's okay. It still has a good taste to it. Without the glaze on there, I taste more of the cinnamon than I do the sugary glaze. So I like it without the glaze. Welcome to the W.I.L.L Awards, where the contestants will be judged on smell, taste, and of course, what it looks like. Each contestant must score at least 20 points. And let's go to the judges on the first category of smell. 6. Next up is taste. Scent 8. And now for that all-important category, what it looks like. 9. Back to watch another one of our videos. You know, we're gonna keep showing you what it smells like, what it tastes like, and of course, you know it, what it looks like. So what I need for you to do right now is to like and subscribe today. Don't make me come over there, okay? Do it today. If you see something at the grocery store you want us to try for you, you leave me a comment down below, and if I can find it for you, I'll show you what it looks like. No animals were harmed in the making of this video. However, they may or may not have been harmed in the making of the contestant. But we had nothing to do with that. We promise, honestly, you can trust us.